In the word of our Prime Minister, in this digital era, we have an opportunity to transform lives of people in ways that were hard to imagine just a couple of years ago. Good morning and a very warm welcome to one and all present here. I am deeply honored to welcome our beloved director, Dr. Father Josie P. George, academic coordinator, Dr. Father Arun Anthony, faculty members, and my dear students. I am excited to interact with you all. We live in the age of big data. Every aspect of our society is being revolutionized by unprecedented recording and analysis of data. Data science has been called the sexiest job of 21st century. This is a revolution, not a passing fad. In fact, there is no question that we will be recording much more data and analyzing this data much more effectively tomorrow than we do today. The data revolution brings us many benefits, but we must also appreciate some of the harm it can do so that we can minimize this harm. I must tell you, you are in the right place at the right time. I expect you all to travel little extra mile which can help you achieve success in the long run. Considering the skill set requirement to keep you at par with the industry requirements, the department has started AWS Academy to give you hands-on training with the leading industry leader. We have a Center for Excellence in association with Qubit AI and Clever Insight. To promote research and development, we have CSI student branch, tie up with international university for collaborative projects. With all this facility in-house, I expect all of you to come up with new idea and develop the eagerness to learn that will make you stand out from the crowd. I would like to conclude my address with this note. Each year is the span of moment divided into weeks and months for all to plan, execute, and replan. And champions are those who keep playing until they get it right. All the best. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Preeti from Data Science Department, Christ Deemed to be University, Pune, Lavasa. Our department comprises of talented and experienced team who all are doctorates and have extensive experience both in teaching as well as working in corporate world. Our curriculum is more practical in nature, wherein we have more lab sessions individually and group practical assignments like hackathon. We also organize TechFest, which we get industry experts to talk on various subjects, and we have interactive Q&A session wherein the students ask relevant questions which gives them more insight into what the industry expects and how they need to develop their skill accordingly. We have various clubs in our department to keep learning spirit high at all times. Our department also works on real-time projects with corporates. Our last year candidates were successful in cracking interviews of data science department and are today working on their dream jobs. We, Christ University, are looking for the candidates who are passionate about their careers in data science. Thank you.